What we want to do in part 1, it is to show that the volume of this prism here is equal to 1/4 x square root of 3 a minus 2x square root of 3 square. I already know the height of this prism, so what I need is the area of the triangle base. So base times height, it is going to give me the volume of this prism. So for this triangle base, it is this red colored triangle over here. And the angle here, I do know it is going to be equal to pi over 3, okay, since we have an equilateral triangle here. So the area of the base, it is just half AB sine C, okay, so half of this multiplied by this multiplied by sine pi over 3. So let's try to find this length first, okay, this and this length, they are the same since it's an equilateral triangle. In order for me to find, let's say, this length, what I'm going to try to do is to make use of this triangle over here, this triangle, with B here, X is here, okay, this point, let me call it, let's say, E, and this point, I'm going to call it D, okay, this small little triangle here, we will try to find what is this length, and I do know what is this angle, since this triangle and this triangle, okay, they are exactly the same, and this angle here, it is pi over 3. So this small little angle here is going to be pi over 3 divided by 2, it is pi over 6. So this tells me that tangent of pi over 6, this must be x over this length, which is BD. Tangent of pi over 6 is 1 over square root of 3. This is x over BD. So BD is just simply square root of 3 of x. With this that I have, that means this is square root of 3 of x, this is square root of 3 of x. And this entire length here, okay, just like this AB, since it's an equilateral triangle, so BC, it is also going to be equal to A. So this length to this length is going to be A minus away 2 times of this. That is why if I want to find the area of the triangular base of the prism, it is just half of this, which is A minus away 2 times square root 3x. Then multiply by the other length here, which is also A minus 2 times square root of 3x. And sine of this angle is pi over 3. Let's simplify this a bit. If I were to simplify this, this is 1 over 2. What I have here is A minus, let me follow the notation according to the question, okay? So it is 2x square root of 3. This times this, so it is this square. And sine pi over 3, this is square root of 3 over 2. So what I have now, it is going to be 1 over 4. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. 1 over 4 square root of 3, A minus 2x square root of 3 square. So the volume of this, which is given to us with a notation of V, the volume of this prism is just the area of this triangular base multiplied by height, x. So it is going to be equal to 1/4 square root of 3 A minus 2x square root of 3 square, and this multiplied by x. And in fact, we have already gotten what the question wants us to prove. This is 1/4 x square root of 3 A minus 2x square root of 3 square.